This 2022 Keystone Montana 3231CK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Keystone is 37 feet 5 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, leveling jacks, LP detector, stove top burner, microwave, air conditioning, external shower, slide-out, TV, skylight, awning, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Montana 3231CK is 12,752 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.